Good morning, learners. Today, once again, I am going to discuss ICSC Board Class 10, Chapter 2. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about elementary concept of objects and classes. First of all, in introduction, class is a set of object. Object contains characteristics and behaviors. So first of all, we are taking an example, furniture. Suppose we have a class, furniture class. Okay, furniture, we have created a user defined data type. User defined data type furniture class we have created. In this furniture class we have so many objects like table, chair, desk, etc. So these all objects belongs to the furniture class. Understood? So in a class so many objects remain, and that's why we say class is a set of object. Class is called an object factory also. So later one more example I am going to tell you about object and class. For example, in the class 10, in a classroom, we all sit, teacher teach, so many table, bench, desks are there. So all these things are object of a class 10. So this is the real objects, and we have to work with real world entities in an object oriented programming language. So Java is a pure object oriented programming language. So first, object, more thing about object I am going to explain you, like characteristics and behaviors of an object. So every object contains characteristics and behaviors. So understands these both things very sincerely. Different objects has different characteristics, but different object may have same behavior. For example, we have two television. First, LG company television, and second, Sony company television. In both televisions, size, price and manufacturing technology may be different. These are the characteristics, but their behaviors are common, such as we watch movie in a television, in the both television. We watch program in the both television. We can play game in the both television. So these are the common behaviors. In all companies TV, the technology may be different, but their behavior will be similar, same. So you understood object, characteristics and behaviors. Characteristics, in the last class I have told you about car. The different car may have different technology. These are the characteristics, and but all types of car has the same behaviors, that we use clutch, brake, gear to drive a car. Okay, next class we have to understand. Next class, what is class? Class is a blueprint, prototype. It is a rule, guideline that we have to follow. Class is a set of object. In fact, class is an object factory. Class is an object factory. Without an object, we cannot assume a class. Class is a set of objects. So, first I have created a presentation. You try. Well, in this presentation, suppose we have taken a furniture class and so many objects of a furniture like chair, tables are shown in the picture. So here furniture is a class and chairs, tables are, these are objects. So you understood? Furniture is a class and their objects are shown in the picture. In the next, you see characteristics and behaviors of an object. Here I have taken two objects, object 1 and object 2. In object 1 we have Sony television and in object 2 we have LG television. So of these both televisions characteristics you can see in the monitor, and these both characteristics are different, but their behaviors are common. Viewing TV program, playing video game, viewing movies. It means their behaviors are common. Okay, so an object has characteristics and behaviors. And some meaningful terms. Class is an object factory. I have told you already, class contains so many objects. So a class is used to create similar objects that possess different characteristics and common behaviors. And object is an instance of a class. Instance like variables, int, float, double, char, these are the instance variable of a class which is known as object. The data members declared within a class are also known as instance variable. When an object of a class is created, it includes instance variable described within the class. Class is a user-defined data type. So I have told you already, furniture is a user-defined data type and their objects are chair, table, bench, desks are objects. So when user creates a class, it becomes a data type for his program. Thus class is referred to as a user-defined data type. Well, I hope you understood the difference and similarities between an object and a class. So in the next chapter I am going to teach you values and data types. In the chapter 3 I will teach you. One more request I have, you please write one example of real world object and class in the comment section, and please like, subscribe and press the bell button to see more videos. Thank you very much.